You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced that many get wrong, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll suggest a few for you so you can learn more English pronunciation. Oren, both British and American English pronunciations are usually similar here as Oren. Oren, do you pronounce it any other ways? Was this any useful? Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.